Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Do you make your own bread at home, or maybe you just buy bread out? If you do, you never have the right size bags. Thanks to these reusable bags from Think4Earth, you will now be all set. The bags are made out of recycled bottles. They are a nice vinyl, and I really love using them for preserving my bread. I've had many gatherings where I had leftover bread and we never knew what to do with it. Thanks to these, you can put them right in the freezer and you'll have extra bread when you need it. The bags are nice and roomy, so you have plenty of room no matter what size bread you're putting in it or how many rolls. You get the baguette and the full bread size with these bags. To seal the bag, all you have to do is roll it up and then buckle it. And that buckle is a great feature because you could bring it with you if you go buy your bakery bread, or if you get invited to someone's house, carry it in. You will be the star of the party. I love these bags because you can fit bread, pretzels, bagels, anything that you need to by placing them on the counter or your refrigerator or freezer, and they are washable as well. If you're looking for a nice kit for your bread making or to store your bread, go with this one. You will be so happy. And that's my point of view.